A tour of the school. On Monday, the teacher said, "Hello, students. Today, we will see our school." The students were very happy. First, they went to the teacher's room. "This is the teacher's room," said the teacher. The students looked inside. Next, they went to the canteen. It smells good," said a student named Tom. After the canteen, they saw the sports hall. "Wow, it's so big," said a student named Mia. Then, they went to the school garden. They saw the headmistress. "Hello," she said with a big smile. They walked to the lunch hall. "This is where we eat lunch," said the teacher. After the lunch hall, they went to the playground. "Let's play," shouted the students. They were very excited. Then they went to the classroom. "This is our classroom," said the teacher. It was big and colorful. Finally, they went to the library. "Shh, we must be quiet here," whispered the teacher. There were many books. At the end of the day, the teacher asked, "Did you like our school?" "Yes," shouted all the students. It was a fun day.